All right. In the midst of this markets turmoil, we'll always find a way to continue, fighting hard. Anyone who ventured into crypto a month ago should be down up to 50 to 60%. Some even go to zero if you're into Luna and UST for this simple act that Federal Reserve raises rates by 0.5%, just a 0.5 percent point, and the whole entire stock market take a tumble. And once New York stock market is affected, crypto world will react to that. So what we do, the most losers are those of us who do leverage trading. Leverage trading, when you look at this here, these very bots, these robots, trades based on spots. It doesn't use leverage. So every token I have open position here are still intact in their numbers, but only that the market goes down below my grades, but the quantity purchased still remains. And if I have added fund, it can trade down and balance up. There is a difference between this and that of carbon Carbona. Let me open Carbona. I think right now there is a pause because of the way the market is going. Carbona uses leverage, which you can fine tune, but out of greediness, you will end up making some mistakes. So a lot of people lose. I also lost money in this very cycle. Anyone who engages in trades cannot deny losing money. So what we do now is if you don't want to get high BP, so always go for something I call doing a sports trading, buying and holding token, especially if you are getting into crypto as at this level, this very moment, because the prices of almost every token and cryptocurrencies are below the waters. So if you get in now, buy and hold for long holds. But those of us who want to see profits, sometimes we buy, we sell. So if you look at this, this is my mobile phone, or let me use this as an example on my Bybit. This is a Bybit. When I was going to bed last night, the news around Luna shows that it have potential. Although I have tried it twice, the price kept a little bit of crashing. So when I was going to bed last night, I just put a pending order, a limit order, that if the price goes around 2.2387, buy me a Luna of this quantity, 1,795,000. That will cost me $401. So lo and behold, I woke up this morning, the price have gone down, and it triggered my limit order, and I got in. But although the price is still fluctuating now, either it's down or it's up, but I'm leaving it for some time. And a few of my wallet, like my Trust wallets, I buy some few pieces there, and my Binance also. Just is the right time to have this kind of tokens. Just invest what you know that when you lose it, you will not cry. You can see it here. It can go up how many percent it wish. It can go down, but it depends on the market situation. Then here, this is my mobile. I want to do a sell and purchase right now. So some people who are always asking, although there are other places you can handle this, like finding out how you can add decentralized tokens from CoinMarketCap to your MetaMask, to your Trust wallet. Thereby you can be able to swap or buy or sell. Like this one now is not on centralized exchange like Bybit's or Binance. So what you do, you come here, you find out. When you scroll down, once you open the list, you scroll up. If you don't find the market where you can buy this, acquire this, just click on the where it's written markets. It will show you the list of where you can swap. Like this one now, if you buy into this now, I'm sure you're gonna make profit because the price is very down dream. So I already have this, but it's not showing on my MetaMask. So what do? I will open my MetaMask. Okay, it's already there. If it's not there, what you do is you copy the address, and you go there and paste it. Automatically you will have it. Okay, it will appear. You go to MetaMask and click on add token, and the rest is history. You can import the token, and the custom token, just put the address here, and you know that is ERC20 Ethereum network. So that is where we are, Ethereum network, because by drawdown here I can change the network, and give it a so that I already have this added, so you cannot add it twice. I'm just using it as a sample. So goes other tokens you want to participate in. Let's say I want to add something like this Luna. I have to spell it Luna. This one that is killing people right now. You can see the price there. So when you scroll up, you find the address, and here it shows that they have different addresses. So you choose the one you want to. Let me take the Ethereum address. You copy it, and you go to your MetaMask. You can do this on your Trust wallet also, but MetaMask, and import token, custom token. You paste it here. See, automatically showing on 6 decimal figure points. You click it. So I already have it on my Trust wallet, so I'm bringing it up on my. So I have 25,000 something on my Trust wallet. So this is how you add up this here. So I'm just touching on a few different things. Now this is my mobile, and here in my mobile, I wanna trade on something. When I look at here, that was a token I had here. Let me see. It's called what is it called again? If I don't wanna open my spot balances here, so people will not say FT FT LTM F. Okay, let me pause and check the name from so secretly, so nobody will see my account profile as such. So the token is TLM. So TLM, I bought into TLM when the price is oh man, when the so TLM I bought in when the price was 0.02 something. So it went up, tried to go down, but I want to take out $500 from this TLM now on the market price. And what do? You go to your on the trading area, trade. This is my mobile phone right now. I have almost 101 open or pending orders open for sale when the market reacts to the price. These are open using the bot I just used through these bots. These bots bought up these 100 and something trades. I only have, I think, one, so it has a limit of 100. So now I want to sell a bit of my TLM. So what you do in your mobile, you come here, you click and change the currency to TLM against USD. I need that. I think I need it against BUSD, because if you go and here you want to sell, click on sell. See the quantity I have here, and how much do I need? I just need the value of $500 out of this very. Where is this? I need a $500. I think that's my security issue here. Okay, there's some limits. See them available. Okay, let's see. 601. Okay, let's give it. So what I will do is to know exact quantity written here, so I can copy this, because 18700. I'll go back to market price, because you want to sell it now. Okay, and market price, I will have to put the quantity I want to sell. I think 80. This is the quantity, 25% of the what I have. So I click on. So once I click sell, because the market price, it will sell immediately, no matter I will have the money in my wallet, a BUSD, which is equivalent to US dollar. So it's already done. I hope it's done. So what I do next is I want to buy something like UST, which I have seen that the price have dipped. a little bit. So I will go on buy. You see the BUSD I just sold from my TLM now is there. So how much quantity of this I want to buy, because I'm using my mirrored mobile on my system, so some securities apply, so I could not type numbers. So because I expect this to go down more. Why? When you look at the chart here, UST, I think I have it already signed before, is a minus 23% as at today. I needed to see the chart, but it's not opening. Okay, to see the chart clearly, you go to CoinMarketCap. You can click on here UST, Terra USD. So when I look at this chart, see where it's falling into. So if you buy in here, there is possibility that's gonna go down a little bit more. So in order to acquire more token when such results, you have to bring down the price you want to go in, so that when the price touches that's the relocation, you will buy in. So go back to trade. Now I want to buy 100% of this, which is equivalent of $600, 100% of this. But I don't want to buy it on market price. I want the price to go down more before I buy, so I put a limit order. So this price it shows here, I believe the price can go into 2 something, if not even so I will just make it 1 something or 10. Let's say I want to make it a 0. Using my mobile is a different thing. Okay, let's put, that is not what I want. Okay, so 1, I will make it go down more here. So once the price hits from this level, it is now 0.13. If it goes down to 0.11, buy for me this quantity of $600, whatever quantity it can get me on this price, which I believe the price will hit this amount. So when I put this pending order, I just forget about it. Buy, it will queue up. Are you still waiting? Maybe it have entered. It's supposed to show up here. Buy. I have to do other price 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the number of my open orders are 102. So these are pending orders, but there is no leverage. So it will buy the quantity I applied here. The rest of these are sell. So some of the tokens I have, I can decide to put the pending sell order also myself. So this one now, once the price hits 0.116 something, it will buy automatically with the amount I specified here. So let me go to, I want to place a pending sell order on TLM. The same example I'm using here. So you go on sell, and you will say sell 100% of this. When the price of TLM hits 1.3, you will see that once it hits up to 1.3, it will sell all your TLM, which is 556 to something, and giving you equivalent of this in dollars, 7,000 something dollars, which might take eternity to happen. So let's give it a 0.5, because for it to go up here, it have to go up, go down, and maybe once in a day or in a week, I will come here and check if the price level have come up and giving me some profit. I think it's double my fee. I will sell it myself. So I will just put here, because sometimes these things might go up when you are not there, when you are not watching. So you cannot just be looking on the moving of the trends all the time. So like there is a token I also I bought this token NC. I just put $2,000 there. That was 2 days ago, and I come out the next day. I saw 5,000. So it have gone up five. I have to take out the profit and leave $1,000 there. So today the price is down. Also, anyone who buys into this will make some good profits. I think so, but this is not a guarantee. This is not a financial advice, please. So don't quote me wrong. And if you signing up in these exchanges, I advise you kindly use my referral. What do you gain from these referrals? You can see that here I have got a reward card 17. My referral bonus 100 is $6. I can withdraw this money now. You can also make the same. And in most cases, there is a return back to you when you use people's referral to come in. So in this case, you might be getting some kickback from what they give to the one who invites you. So this is why people always ask you to please use our referrals. So to do that, when you watch my video, just scroll up, you will see click on more. You will see the referral links. This one is from Binance. If you want to sign up with Binance Exchange, use my referrals. If you want to go for Bybit, use my referral. These are centralized, like KUCOIN. There are a lot of them. When you go to my video, you will see a lot of links there. Anyone you want to participate in, please do use my link, including Royal Q. Also, Royal Q also deals on spot trading, but only on trending up markets. When the market is trending up, it buys, it sells. And also the BITSGAP, I will also put my referral link on this video, so you can go into that if you want. You're about to open bunch of orders and sell them when the price goes up. So you can see here, I set here that it's 20 grids. If you go to setting, I made it to be 20 grids, but right now, because of I opened this very trading bots last month when the market was very up and the markets went down, the tokens bought here are still intact. So what it shows here is that the price of, for example, Selenium, the price in the market have gone down 17.9% since I opened these bots, but the bots has made profit of 0.4%. That means there is still fluctuation. When the market goes up a bit, it will sell, making profits. So it doesn't, the market situation does not affect the bot from making profits. So now, if the market returns back to the level where it was when I entered, when the bot opened this trade, you will be having profit here at the same time. So now that it went down, the price value of this token went down. You still have plus on the profit of the bots. That means you don't have to lose 100% if you have to close this trade now. And the only way you lose is if I click close, then it will calculate on this current market price. But if you leave it, the market will always come back, and by the time it gets back to the level when you enter this trade, it must have sell about 10 or 20 grids that is opened when you enter the trade. Okay, so that is how this one works. And KARBONAI also is there. This one, you don't have to be greedy on leverage. Just leave it on the default, and it will make you profits at the end of the day. So the targets in all these grids, all these trading robots, is to at least, if you can be getting at least 1% of your capital every day, at the end of the month is 30%. Of course, it can be more. It can make 60. Some people are making a hell of it. You can see this one here. These are other people trades. This very token, someone is making 72%, on this very one. So if you have a good capital, let's say here I have $20,000 in this trade, in my trades. So you make 30% of this is a decent money, and you have people who have block money 100,000. You can make 30% in a month of 100,000 is $30,000. So that is why people use this robot, and you will just hands off. You set it up and hands up. I will make a video sometime how to get yourself acquainted with these bots. Although sometimes it might look complicated, but they're simple. Okay, so also use my referral link if you are going for Binance. So the difference between what we do here now, this is called sports trading. You buy on spot, there is no leverage. So your token you bought will not disappear. What makes your tokens or your cryptocurrency liquidate is when you go on leverage. For example, this is my, let me show you. This is leverage USDT. I hope my video is still recording here. My God, I hope this setting is still recording. Okay, so here you can see here it gave you 20x leverage. If on this for you can change it to any quantity. That means any open position you have, you borrowed times 20 or times 4 times 25 the amount. So if the market goes down, you are losing times 25. If it goes up, you're making, so it's like a gambling. And in gamble, you can win twice, but when you lose once, you lose everything, So that's why this is very dangerous, So go for spot trading; it will help you more than gambling with them. So spot trading, you can buy crypto you hold, like this ones here. Some of them I buy myself. Some of them I let the robot to do the buying and holding. So this is the few thing just showing this morning how we have been trying to navigate the very storm that hit the markets recently. You can see everything is pointing down. So everyone who engaged in crypto must have lost. You can see Elon Musk have paused the purchase of takeover of Twitter because I believe this has touched him too. The only person who got it a little bit right was Warren Buffett, where he said that he cannot give 1 cent for all the crypto put together sometime before this tumble happens. But I think it's an opportunity. Some of the rich men now become the wells. They are buying stock in crypto now because now the price is underwater. So with time, it can only go up. It cannot get worse. So thank you very much for watching, and all the best of the day.